Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a disease known as NMO. The full form is Neuromyelitis Optica. Now this is also known as Devic's disease. Now what is this? This is a simultaneous inflammation and demyelination of the optic nerve as well as the spinal cord. This condition is different from multiple sclerosis. The symptoms include weakness and paralysis of the lower extremities, bladder and bowel dysfunction, and varying degrees of blindness. Now, this condition is caused due to an autoimmune reaction in the body, which is demonstrated by the presence of antibodies in the blood. This condition may be associated with other systemic diseases. There is no cure for this condition in the modern system of medicine. Acute attacks can be satisfactorily treated with intravenous steroids, plasmapheresis, and the use of immune suppressants. The acute condition subsides in a few weeks. However, nearly 85% patients relapse. Now, one characteristic of this disease is that maximum disability is from acute attacks, while the chronic condition is rarely progressive. Now, what is the Ayurvedic herbal treatment for NMO? Now, this involves the use of Ayurvedic herbal medicines to bring about immunomodulation of the body, as well as to simultaneously treat both the inflammation as well as the degeneration of the nerves within the eyes as well as the spinal cord. Now, treatment involves a comprehensive protocol of herbal medicines which act on the retina, which act on the nervous system, and which have a strengthening effect on the brain and spinal cord. Also, medicines which have anti-inflammatory properties are used, and medicines which reverse the autoimmune process going on in the affected individual. Now, in addition to the use of herbal tablets which are taken orally, supplementary treatment can be given in the form of eye drops as well as local application in the form of medicated oils and ointments to be used directly on the back and lower extremities. Depending upon the severity of the condition, herbal treatment can be given usually for about 10 to 12 months, and this treatment stabilizes the patient, prevents further degeneration of vision and lower limb disability, and brings about recovery to the maximum extent possible. Now, in addition to these treatments, local application as well as the oral medications, Panchakarma treatment can also be given in case of where the response is poor or where the symptoms are quite severe. In such cases, Panchakarma treatments like Netra Tarpan, then Basti, which is in the form of Tikta Kshir Basti, as well as localized Basti, or localized Tarpan treatment can be given to bring about faster and better response. So this combination of Ayurvedic treatment, local application, oral medications as well as Panchakarma treatment can help to bring about complete remission in most patients, and this treatment also prevents a relapse. So Ayurvedic herbal treatment is therefore very useful in bringing about more or less a cure in this treatment, in this disease NMO, which can be quite severe. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for NMO. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.